What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much. We hit 3,500 subscribers yesterday. It means a ton to me. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you and that you guys have been sticking around with me this whole time. It's awesome to see the growth in the channel. It's awesome to see you guys, and I love talking to you guys as well. So if you guys want, come in our Discord. The link's going to be in the description below. Come in and talk. We got a great team. We're always making plays, always making moves. We're very transparent about the way we do things, and it's 100% free. We're not trying to make money off you guys about anything. We're just trying to simply help. So come on and check it out. Make sure you like and subscribe as well. I'm always doing giveaways. I'm going to do a giveaway when we hit 4,000 subs. So hopefully in a couple weeks if we can continue to grow. But I want to talk to you guys about, for you smaller accounts, how to grow a small account and how to do it safe. I've seen a lot of people say how to grow a small account. They're saying to YOLO it into calls and stuff like that, and that's the only way. That's not true. I don't recommend just buying shares with, a super small account. But I have a great strategy that I use for my big account as well. To make my big account a big account, this is what I did. And it's credit spreads. It's called put credit spreads. We've talked about it before, but I wanted to give you an update and show you that you can do it on a small account as well. This is an account I'm working on for a friend. He kind of blew his account up, if you guys can clearly see here, by playing calls on EV stocks during the crash. And so I took the account just about a month ago, and now we're making it back. So we're already up $582. So we're trying to make our way back, but I want to show you guys these credit spreads and why I love them so much. So let's do Amazon, for example, because Amazon is usually a rich person's stock. The stock costs $3,500 a share, $3,358 a share. That's a lot of money. That could be one share, could take up your entire account. How do we profit off this? Well, let's do a credit spread. Put credit spread is a perfect opportunity right here. This one's basically saying that Amazon is going to stay above $3,020 a share by August 20th, and someone paid us $985 to risk $2,000. So just about a 49% return on investment for this option. So how do we set this up? It's very, very simple. So you first go over here, make sure it's on sell put, because that's the most important thing. Do that before you do anything, before you pick a strike price, before anything. Make sure it's sell put, not buy put. Then you're going to pick the date. I like to go out longer term. That way, if there is market fluctuation or volatility, you still end up making money. Pick an August 20 like we did. You go over here, you click the sell. Let's say you want to be a little more, I was being super, super safe with that. Let's say you're saying, all right, it's going to be above 3,100. You click that, and then you click buy. So you sell the first one, then you buy the second one. Boom. And essentially what you're looking at here is you'll get paid $642. You're risking $2,000 because there's $20 in between these strike prices in times 100. And that's how much you're risking. So your max loss on this trade is $1,368. That's the maximum you can lose. But you can make $642. So some people are like, wait, that's not a good return. I'm risking so much more than I'm losing. Well, also think about how safe this trade is. You're simply saying that Amazon's going to be above $3,100 by this price. Amazon would have to drop a long, long way for you to be in trouble. It would have to drop 258 points for you to be in trouble. That's a big drop. That's like 7.5% for Amazon. So I don't think that's going to happen. And that's how you do it, basically. So you essentially find a good stock that you like. I wouldn't do it right now. I actually opened up a couple on Amazon today on my main account, but that was for January's way far out. You get more premium the farther you go out. I can wait. I'm using leverage, so I'm fine playing it much safer. But if you guys want to make it, you're like, hey, you know what? I got $2,000 sitting in my account. You don't even need $2,000. All you need is the $1,400 or $1,300. To do it. And you're like, I'm gonna have this money sitting. I just want to make, I want to make $600 by summer, so I can go on a nice little trip. You go ahead and you do this trade right here. 9 times out of 10, it's gonna work unless you have a big market crash about over 10%. And the good news is you can always close these out early. So, like I said, if we go back to my option that I'm on, we go ahead and check that Amazon one. If we wanted to right now, we can already cash out $520 we're up on. So we're already up 52%. But we can still get $465, so we're going to go ahead and just get the rest of the $465 and just try to grow the account a little bit more and, continue to make solid gains. So that's the strategy I do. That strategy I really, really like. I like playing it safe. I do this on a lot of different ones. We see Amazon. We see Apple. We're up on the Apples as well. We're already, look at that, up $120 on the Apples as well. So we can still get another $88 out of it. So we're going to go ahead and get that out of it. unless we get up so big that it's not worth using the collateral. And then we also have BABAs as well. BABAs is the rest of our positions, as you guys can clearly see. This one we're even on. I think we just opened it up yesterday. So we're only up $3 on it. But we get $295 out of it if BABA stays above 220 by June 16th. So that's not that far away. 220, so have to drop over 9 points for us to be in trouble. But we can get $295 out of that. This one we are up $43 on. We can still get another $455 out of that if it's above 215, so even more safe. And then we have the last one, which is a 210, very, very safe as well, even most safe out of all of them. We can still get $428 out of this. I think we just opened this one up as well, either yesterday or the day before. So as you guys can clearly see, we can make, pretty good money on a small account, making really, really good percent returns on our investment. And that's my favorite strategy. I like being safe. I like collecting premium. I like making money if the stock goes up, stays the same, or even goes down a little bit. So 3 out of the 4 scenarios we make money on, which is amazing. So that's what I like to do. That's my favorite strategy. But let me know what your guys' favorite strategies are, because a lot of you guys have been telling me different things. A lot of you guys have been in calls and getting wrecked because this market is not friendly to calls. Any of these stocks, if you look at them today, maybe with the exception of Amazon, all these other ones, even the Apples. Apple was up today a little bit, but if you look at it and look at the calls got slaughtered today. Down 66% for some, 30%. Even if you go out next week, those calls are still down a little bit today. Especially when you go to the higher strike price, like the 140s. They're still down 12%, even though the stock was up today. So be careful on those. Let data be on your side, and let your money work for you in a safe way. Don't be risking it. You don't want to blow up your account. This is not a fun chart to see. Okay? That's not a fun chart to see. This is a fun chart to see. Steady growth. So guys, let me know what your strategy is in the market. This is my favorite strategy for the smaller accounts. You guys know me. I love making consistent money, and I like doing it safe. And that's how we've been able to manage to build up an account to over $100,000 in our main account, because we played it safe. We don't take big risks. We used to. We got rocked. We learned from our mistakes, and we pivot. We pivot to the next thing. We pivot to the smarter option. No pun intended. But this option is put credit spreads. I like them a lot. They're bullish. I'm very bullish on the market. I'm bullish on big tech. I'm bullish on Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Microsoft, Google, all those stocks. And of course, BABA. We love BABA and Jack Ma. We trust, and we think the stock is going to go much, much higher. The beautiful thing about it, even if I'm wrong, even if the stock doesn't go much higher, we still make money. All the stock does not do, it just cannot crash. So, very safe. I like playing it safe. Good percent return as well. 49% for some of those. That's a beautiful return. You can't even get that in the S&P every year. You usually average about 12 to 15% a year in the S&P. So this is a great strategy to make good percent returns, not too risky, very safe. But that's what I like to do. That's what I like to make. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for 3,500 subscribers. Thank you for joining the Discord and talking to me. I always love talking to you guys. I love hearing you guys' stories. And I'm always down to help you guys. You guys know that. I'm here for you. This is my hopefully going to be my job one day. I would love that. That's my dream. Obviously right now, not looking like it, but if we continue to grow and we continue to actually make some big strides, anything's a possibility. So if my job can be to help you guys and help you guys invest and be smart with your money, and it's a dream for me. So anyways, guys, have a wonderful day. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Bye.